What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I don't normally talk about recalls, but this affects a lot of Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio owners in the USA, so I have to talk about this one. The car maker from the Bisione has announced that 11,500 of its D segment cars will be recalled in the coming days for a problem that could cause the vehicle to stall or even a fire. Given that the car's historic Milanese brand is subject to this recall, they lose fuel. These are specimens that have been marked in the United States, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio protagonists of this recall have a problem with the sensor housing in the fuel line. These could in fact break and lose fuel. This fuel could then escape when it comes in contact with a very hot part of the car and also cause a fire. Now, the Bisione automaker learned of the fuel leak in Italy in October, and the supplier discovered 6 batches of potentially faulty engine bay fuel bundles. Now, drivers of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia may notice fuel odors while the cars are running, and vehicle performance may suffer. Now, as of November 4th, the Stellantis group was aware of some customer service claims for this issue. 8 warranty claims, but thankfully no reports of any accidents or injuries. Now, the dealership of the car maker of the Bisione, to which the customers will have to bring their cars in for inspection, will inspect and replace the sensor housing of the fuel line once the owner's recall letters are sent on January 1st of 2022. That means you have to wait until the new year to get your Alfa Romeo Stelvio or Giulia fixed. You can't take it in prematurely. So with that said, we therefore will see in this regard this recall of Alfa Romeo and what other news will arrive in the next few days. So I'm not exactly sure what build dates that came to America are affected. You're gonna have to wait for the letter from Stellantis and Alfa Romeo to know if your car was affected. And with the recall letters not going out for another 6 weeks, I would definitely be careful if you notice any of these symptoms in your car, like that odor of fuel or the lack of performance. And we do not want to see any kind of accidents or fires or anything like that happen to any of the Alfa Romeo owners. So again, I just wanted to bring this up to you guys' attention because again, it could save a life. So with that said, all Alfa Romeo owners, definitely listen up. If you have any odors or fuel leak problems or any performance issues, get this taken care of, because again, 11,500 cars have been affected and all of them need to be taken care of. So with that said, just make sure you guys like the video today. If you guys want to help get this up in the rankings, more people can see it and we can have a bigger discussion and get more awareness out of this fire risk Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio recall for America. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, you guys can also check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple of extra dollars to the channel. Of course, I appreciate all of you guys' support. Now you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. I'm doing a Black Friday sale all this week. All right, so if you use the coupon code for Black Friday, you get 40% off of the Ron's Rides merch store, the entire store. And with that said, make sure you guys also check out my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. We will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.